Good afternoon. My name is Ismael. Okay. Hello, everyone. Today I am going to talk about Haiti. It is a country in the Caribbean next to the Dominican Republic. Haitian music is very rich and full of rhythm. The most famous style is combat, a dance music with drums and guitars. Another style is rara, play in the streets with drums and drums. Okay, Jason IT is very colorful and graded artists playing daily life Michaels and nature. You can see bright color and strong lines. Yeshuan food is the tasty and special. One famous dish is Creole fried pork with rice and beans. Continues con people also eat cool plantains and spicy sauces. Uh, Haiti, Haiti has a strong and beautiful culture. Thank you for listening. Okay, bye. Uh, Here the presentation. Bye. Okay.